So I'll be showing you how to zoom in and out in the Final Cut camera app on your iPhone. So this is a new professional camera app, and to zoom in and out, all you have to do is go to the left hand side, tap on that. Okay, so this one right here that says 1x by default. Let me just this one. So tap on that and you should see the slider, and you can use the slider to slide to the right to zoom in or slide to the left to zoom out. Okay, now it's not going to change the camera that you're using. It's going to stick to the same camera that you chose at the beginning. So if you are on the main camera, it's going to stay on the main camera no matter how far you zoom. So if it's here, it's going to stay there, and if it's here, it's going to stay here and here for here. So just tap on that and then zoom in, zoom out. Simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.